more than I gave. It's not easy to know I'm not anything like I used to be. Although it's true I was never attention sweet center, but I still remember that girl. She's imperfect, but she tries. She is good, but she lies. She is hard on herself. She is broken, won't ask for help. She is messy, but she's kind. She is lonely most of the time. She's all of this mixed up and baked in a beautiful pie. She is gone, but she used to be mine. It's not what I asked for. Sometimes life just slips in through a back door and carves out a person who makes you believe it's all true. And now I've got you, and you're not what I asked for. If I'm honest, I know I would give it all back for a chance to start over and rewrite an ending or two for the girl that I knew who'd be reckless just enough, who gets hurt but who learns how to toughen up when she's bruised and gets used by a man who can't love. And then she'll get stuck and be scared of the life that's inside her, growing stronger each day, till it finally reminds her to fight just a little, to bring back the fire in her eyes that's been gone but used to be mine. Oh, it used to be mine. She is messy, but she's kind. She is lonely most of the time. She's all of this mixed up and baked in a beautiful pie. She is gone, but she used to be mine.
Wow, girl! Woo, 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 woo.
You okay? I'm no good. I will cry with you when I'm tired as well. Are you okay? That was stunning, babe. You would want me so proud of yourself. You've got such a stunning tone to your voice, and you smashed it. Okay? Alright? Sorry.
I know you're only crying because of like how emotional the song was and how vulnerable and emotional you felt then. Because I could see it all over your face when you were singing. I could tell like you meant every single word you were singing. And like that was the most vulnerable and emotional like I've ever seen you. And I've seen you singing open mic nights. I've seen you in other seasons. Like that honestly got to be like my favourite performance of yours that I've ever heard. It was so like raw and like beautiful. And you know when you started singing and you were like all the way down there, all the hairs on my arms just stood up. Like your lower range was absolutely stunning. And do you know the head voice bits you did at the end? Oh, they were lush. Your head voice is absolutely gorgeous. I really want to hear more of that. But overall, it was absolutely phenomenal. Way better than last week. It was such an improvement. Well done.
Thank you. Thanks, Emily.
Yeah, that was a really good song choice. Your tone to your voice is absolutely beautiful, and your head voice is incredible as well. Like, that's one of a standout. And your lower register, wow, is so haunting. It's literally right the way down there. I don't know how you can get down there because, Jesus, I'd have to hold my balls or something to get down there. It's terrible. It was a very emotional performance, so I can see why you're upset. But you looked so comfortable on the stage as well, and you looked so comfortable in that song. But I think that was a brilliant performance. Well done.
Thanks, Joey.
Yeah, Keeliegh, it's alright to be emotional, you know, you're in this safe space, it's completely fine to be vulnerable, and if anything, I appreciate it and I applaud it from people, because that is another thing that people need to learn as an artist, something we all learn through the years of growing as an artist. I mean, you know, like for the youngsters it's a bit more difficult because life experience and things like that, they're young, they haven't experienced life. But as you grow older and you start to experience bad relationships, mental health, and all of these things that come tumbling on all of us, we feel that vulnerability. And music, for a lot of people, is a way of, you know, just controlling it and easing that sort of pain that you feel. And that's exactly what I felt there, and that's what I felt like it did for you, because I think you came up here mentally ready to smash that in mentally. And what you've done is you allowed your heart to open into that song, and that's why afterwards you had a little bit of a reality sort of hit, and you was like, do you know what, I just felt my heart in that, and that's beautiful. Because do you know what, Kelly would have pretty much fallen apart on that then, because that is very much something that I saw in Kelly when Kelly did this process all them years ago. And when she did that, that was something she did. She felt it and she put her heart out there, and it connected the public. And I think everyone can agree they probably really felt that emotion then from you, and that's beautiful. So don't shy away from it. And the same with any of you, you know, if you were going to perform a song and you can connect to it with something going on in your life, don't feel scared of it. Let your emotions be there. You know, I'm not saying fall apart in front of us, but don't be frightened of your emotions, because we're all human beings. We all have emotions, and that's what it's all about. Don't ever shy away from how you feel, you know, and that's exactly what you've done. And it made that really work. And honestly, it really was. It was probably the most, I mean, I gotta say, guys, we haven't finished yet. We still have a few more, but this is probably the most passionate season I've ever witnessed in the history of times, or in anything I've done. There is so much passion here from you all, and it's amazing to see, and it's making this really special. We're only our second weekend, and you're all doing this. It's like, whoa, look at the level we are. Incredible. And no exception to you. That was absolutely special. Keep that. I don't want you to cry every week, but keep allowing yourself to connect to those songs, because it does something really. It takes us to another level vocally. I love that arrangement. It was so unique. Again, another song that I've heard repetitively done, but you took it to another place and you made that Keeligh's, and it was just so original to you. Absolutely smashed it, Keeliegh, honestly. Well done.